there are 80 participants in a competition. The average score of each participant is 58.5. The average score of the male participants is 64, and the average score of the female participants is 56. What is the total score of the 8 participants? Part A, Part B, how many male participants are there in this competition? Now for Part A, we can solve it quickly by understanding the TAN triangle, where T stands for total, A average, N number of items or number of people in this case. Alright, so to find total, we'll just take average multiplied by the number of items, number of people. In this particular case will be 80, so total is average multiplied by number, and that is 58.5 multiplied by 80. 4680. That's the total score of the participants. Now for Part B, how many male participants are there? Now since we do not know the exact breakdown or the exact numbers for the male and the females, what we'll need to do is use the totals and employ the assumption method. Alright, so since we want to know the male, we assume, we imagine all 80 participants are the other options. Okay, so what's the other option compared to male? It will be the female. So assume all 80 participants are female. Of course, this is not true, it's just an assumption, it's just an imagination. Second, if this is the case, what will be the new total score? Okay, the new total will be, you take the average for the female, that's 56, times total numbers will be 80. 4480, which is a little bit low as compared to the original total. Okay, there's a difference here which we need to do something about. So the third step is to find this difference in total. This will be 4680. Take away 4480, which will be 200. Okay, why is there a difference? Because we have actually assumed all of them are female, and the females, they are actually scoring lower as compared to the males in terms of average. So that's why if you assume all 80 are females, the total score will definitely be lower as compared to the actual total score. Okay, for the actual one here, the total is not just made up of females, there are a mix of people. There are females, there are also males here. Okay, so third step, find the difference in total, which is 200 points. Fourth step, find the difference in each of the female and the male. Now this will be the bigger number here minus the smaller one. So 64 minus 56. 8. Last step, we will be able to find the actual number of male students, which will be equals to 200 divided by 8. 25 male students. So